Hi guys, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making breadcrumbs. Guys, stop wasting old bread. Today I'll be showing you how I make perfect homemade breadcrumbs in just a few minutes. Easy, budget friendly and perfect for making your recipe. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients we'll be using. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. Please like, subscribe, and drop your comments below. Don't forget to watch to the end. Enjoy your simple recipe. To my old subscribers, I want to say thank you so much.